Hi guys, welcome back to another video in SugarPinkDIY, and in today's video I want you guys to come along and design some new stickers with me. And since we're just approaching spring and Easter, I came up with the idea of making some Easter and spring theme stickers. So we'll be designing, in this video we'll be designing the stickers. We'll also print them, cut them, and we'll also be using a new paper that I just ordered. And I also have my own online store in case you're wondering or trying to see my stickers and how I price them, how I sell them. So I'll leave the link in the description box in case you'd like to see it. So now let's go on to the video.
Alrighty guys, so this is the new paper that I ordered, and the paper that I used to have was plain sticker paper, so it already had the sticky back, so it wasn't necessary for me to use glue or tape in order to add a sticky part to my stickers. So the only thing that I didn't like about that plain paper was that it was opaque. So whenever I printed my stickers, they weren't glossy or they weren't shiny because the paper was regular, of course. So then I ordered this paper, which is glossy, and then the only thing that I'm worried about with this paper is that I have never used it before. So I'm not sure how the ink will be printed on. And I'm worried that the ink will be all smeared or super runny on the actual paper. And of course, I don't want my stickers to be ugly or messy. But going back to me designing my stickers, I wanted to use pastel colors because those are the colors that we normally use during Easter. But since we're also approaching spring, I wanted to add a combination of bright colors to make my stickers pop and look more fun. And I also wanted to use some Easter symbols, for example the Easter bunny and the Easter eggs. And I know that the Bible doesn't talk about any of those symbols, but we use them in order to represent life. So for example, bunnies have a lot of babies, and then hens lay a lot of eggs. So these are just symbols of new life. And in addition to the Easter eggs, I went ahead and I drew a super cute carrot, or at least I think it's cute because it's small and chubby. And I think I was really into the Easter spirit, so I drew a boy bunny. So I made him brown with chubby cheeks, and then I added a super cute bow tie and some long ears and his super cute kawaii eyes. And then I went ahead and I also drew a girly bunny with a tutu and a bow. And of course I also needed some peeps. So these are basically just my designs, and if you guys have seen my previous videos, you'll know that I love using kawaii faces and I love making my drawings or designs super small and chubby. But if you guys haven't seen those videos, in my channel there's a bunch of videos of me drawing or designing, just in case you want to see those ideas.
Alright guys, so now we have all of our designs ready, and all that is left to do is to send them to our cutting machine to cut them, print them, and see how they turn out in the new paper that we got.
And in a previous video, I talked about how I make my stickers from beginning to end or from start to finish. So basically in that video, I talked about what application I use to design my stickers, what other applications you guys can use, what machine I have to make my stickers or to cut my stickers basically. And then I also talked about what application I use to send my stickers to the cutting machine. And then I also talked about the paper that I use. So I used to use the white plain paper. Now I'm using the glossy. So I'll leave the link in the description box in case you want to see that video or you want to watch the video and see some ideas and the process of how I make my stickers. So basically right now the printer was saying that the paper has to be facing down. So the glossy part has to be on the bottom, and then the regular part, the part that isn't glossy, has to be on the top. Then I went ahead and pressed print and waited for my printer to print my stickers. And now we can see that my stickers are all printed, and once the printing process was completed, I took my finished paper back to my cutting machine. I placed it on my mat, then I loaded my mat onto the cutting machine in order for the machine to cut my stickers. And then here's just a small clip of how the machine sounds and how it cuts. And the cutting process takes about 2 minutes per page, so it's not a lot of time, honestly. And then here is the girly bunny, then the other bunny, the boy bunny, the Easter eggs, the Easter sign, and then some peeps, and of course a carrot at the end.
Alright guys, and this was it for today's video. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed. And I hope this video was helpful in case you're looking to start a new business, maybe in the sticker making section. And I'll leave the link in the description box of my online store in case you want to see the pricing, you want to see the photos that I take of my stickers and how I post them. And I will also be making a video about how I package my stickers, and then I will also be making another video, so a second video, about how I take my pictures or the photos for my products or the stickers that I sell and how I post them online. So see you on the following video. Bye guys!